What's up, tubers? Welcome back to the channel. My pre-order of another old new kit showed up. We're about to open it up and take a look at it. Plastic noises, please stand by. You can see in the background here I've got some other variants of this same kit. I realized that it's kind of an old one, you know, it's been around for a long time, but you know, they've trickled in some changes and you know, made some there's always differences in, say, the decals, or like this one has stock steelies and dog balls, yes please, as well as the two engines. Pretty excited about that. I mean, that's pretty much the entire reason that I bought it, is because of that slant 6. That you can see I've got some other, we're going to talk about that, different bodies and different engines and, you know, similarities. So we're gonna pop this thing open and take a look inside briefly. You know, as I said, I realize it's a old kit. It's been around for a long time. Different decals and different tires and different configurations of it. Sure. So speaking of, we'll look right at the decals right away, which are pretty cool. I mean, hey, there's all of your instrument clusters and the Dodge lettering for the trunk and hood. That's one single piece, instead of a bunch of different ones that are going to float around. Nice big pentastars, really clear. Some, you know, other this is who I am kind of stuff, shop truck. The instructions, you know, I assume it's probably as per, well, that's as soon as I say that, it folds out differently. Different instructions for the two different motors, and there are actually two complete motors in this kit, not 2-in-1. Glass, front, rear quarter glass. Not really going to go through the whole kit piece by piece. We're just going to look at the motors and take a glance at the chrome tree. There's a nice chrome front bumper with the insert, which is pretty much the same on that. Pretty much the same kit. So, like I said, we're not gonna, I mean, I don't really need to open it. I can just open the bag just to show you that there are model parts in there. It is an unboxing after all. Ooh, wow, that's an interesting release point. Identical. You know, it's the same mold, but they've, like I've been reading and hearing, they've been cleaning up their molds. They've been taking some of the older ones that they have and doing what they can to repolish them, pop them out. Some nice larger steelies. It's got only 4 tires in it, but they're all nice, thick, good tread. That's a decent looking meat, you know. Rub. Good detail on the firewall. Engines. There's your big block, your slant 6, and you know, hood, seats, the inner fenders. You will need the decals for the dash. There is 0 detail there. Wheel backs and centers. I found that it's best to glue that part in first. You know, assemble your side fenders and stuff before you start painting. Decent detail on the frame, on the chassis. I remember working on this one. It was similar. Look, you know, looks to be the same. Door cards, nice prominent cranks, and then armrests are separate, so you know you get a good two-tone paint going in there. So we'll pull this stuff off to the side somewhere. I know I had a box for it. It came in a box, right? Oh, it's right there. Yeah. we'll throw those back in there for now to glance at. This guy, pretty much the same kit. I mean, you know, with obviously the different body stylings, you got a different pillar, and you know, the center pillar is different, the slight different shapes front and rear. I mean, it's, you know, I'm not a Mopar, I don't know exactly the differences, but you know, a lot of it is, some of it is just badging and engineering at its finest. But again, whatever, it's a model. This kit is the same. I mean, it's got, I kind of looked through it and glanced through the bags, and it's all the same. And when I say same, I mean the puzzle is the same. Ooh, wait, did I steal the motor out of this for something? I think I did. I don't see ruh-roh. Well, whatever. It's not like I have a shortage of engines. I don't remember doing that. Or I do remember when I opened it, getting ready for this video, that this one had, I had marked on the instruction sheet a bunch of yellows and stuff, so I think that might have been a used one, you know, secondhand, whatever. Good looking tires, you know, I mean, some of the differences in, I mean, this isn't really a side-by-side, but this is a newer kit. I just wanted to pop it open and briefly talk about when I got this one. It built up amazing, and then I got this one. This was the not the Color Me Gone, but the Maverick. It's the same kit, just different stickers. And it was, you know, I got it free in an auction, and I remember everybody saying, "Oh, be careful, that kit's caught out today. Oh, Lindbergh's. Oh no, look out, Lindbergh." And I remember putting it together, going, "Wow, the engine's got incredible details. The firewall's got incredible details. I don't know what those people are talking about. This kit is great. You know, seat belts and roll bars and all kinds of cool stuff." I mean, I think I stole those off of something else. I don't remember, but it's a cool kit. You know, it's another. You know, whatever smaller body Mopar, you can take a big giant motor and put it in this little teeny thing, and there's still plenty of room. There's plenty of room for activities. But the Slant 6, that kind of excites me just because it's there. As I'm sure a lot of you are excited. The Slant 6 and the dog dish. You know, because as it's been, I've had to print my own versions, which, I mean, they're pretty cool, gotta say, pretty bitchin'. But now that they're out there, we're gonna see a lot more. That's very cool. I like to see that with, you know, the model companies are bringing stuff back for us, which, hey, cool. So we're gonna see these soon. Which direction they go, I don't know, but you know, I'm gonna kind of maybe go a little old school with a hot rod with what you have. You know, this is kind of some big money sponsor stuff, whereas this guy, oh well, I guess we could change out the motor, or I don't know, you know, whatever. I'm rambling. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. That's about it. We'll see you in the next one.